Today, let me remind you of the extraordinary strength that lies within you. Embrace it and let your light shine. Be the woman you were always meant to be and be unapologetic about it. Ladies, we gather here not just as individuals, but as a formidable collective of strength, wisdom, and potential. Each of you carries a story, a legacy, and a spark that can illuminate the world. Today, I want to remind you of the extraordinary power that resides within you. Your voice is your most potent tool. It is through your words that you can challenge the status quo, inspire others, and advocate for what is just. Speak up in the boardroom, in your community, in your family, and in every sphere where silence once reigned. Your voice matters, and it can move mountains. We live in a world that often tries to confine us to boxes, to tell us where we belong and what we can achieve. I urge you to break free from these constraints. Own your space with confidence and grace. Whether it's in science, arts, politics, or any other domain, claim it. Make it yours. Every woman here is unique, with her own dreams, strengths, and experiences. Embrace what makes you different, for it is in our diversity that we find our collective strength. Celebrate your quirks, your passions, and your individuality. The world doesn't need more conformity. It needs the brilliant, authentic light that only you can provide. As you climb your own mountains, remember to extend a hand to those who follow. Empower the women around you. Share your knowledge, offer your support, and create opportunities for others. When we lift each other up, we build a more inclusive and equitable world for everyone. Life will throw challenges your way. There will be moments of doubt, fear, and failure. But remember, resilience is not just about bouncing back. It's about growing stronger and wiser through every setback. Face adversity with grace, knowing that every struggle refines you, every obstacle teaches you, and every failure is but a step towards success. Remember that you are the author of your own life story. Do not let anyone else hold the pen. Write your narrative with boldness and conviction. Follow your passions, pursue your goals, and live a life that reflects your values and dreams. You have the power to shape your destiny. I want you to look around and see the incredible tapestry of strength and potential around us. Together we can create a future where every woman can thrive, where our daughters and granddaughters will inherit a world that truly values their contributions. Stand tall, speak your truth, and lead with compassion and courage. The world is waiting for the unique magic that only you can bring.